Hello guys, if you are just watching this video, congratulations to you. See, I say congratulations to you once more because if your intention is how to make money from the internet, congratulations to you because internet contain huge amount of money that you can fetch and it will still remain there. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you once more. So, before you start thinking of how to make money from the internet, you have to put this in your mind. Internet is not somewhere that you just jump in and start making it big from it. No. You must follow the gradual procedures on how to make it big from the internet. And that same gradual procedure is what I'm here to explain to you. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching from Facebook, please do me a favor and follow my page. And like this video, like it so that it will go viral. You can equally share it to your friends so that they can benefit from this video as well. So you are ready to start making from money from the internet, right? All right. I have three most important stages that you must stick to. You must stick to before you start making money from the internet. So first of all, and number one is knowledge. You have to gather enough knowledge. Be a very good researcher. Do a very good research, being you as a content creator, either video content creator, or you are a freelancer, or you are a blogger. As far as your intention is to make money from the internet, you must follow these three stages that I wanted to mention. And number one is knowledge. You have to gather enough knowledge and information, a vital one, a valuable information that you are ready to be giving out to the internet. Because people that are sorting the internet, they are looking for something, information, valuable information to collect before they start interacting with your content. So you need to be very good in research. No, always try and find a valuable something for you to place on the net if you really wanted to be getting engagement and getting interaction in your content. So learn as a content creator, as someone that is giving out information, you must keep on searching for the information. You must keep on learning. You must keep on learning and you must keep on gathering the information and the knowledge before you give out. So anytime that you are trying to place something on the net, make a very good research about it and make sure you have the knowledge of what you are giving out. So that is number one. Secondly, that is number two. For you to start making it big in the internet, you must stick to this number two as well. And number two is interaction. How are you interacting with your followers? How are you interacting with your community that are following you on the internet? Like, this is where so many people find it very difficult. And this is why so many people are losing their community. They are losing engagement in their content or in anything that they place on the internet. You must interact. When I say interaction is very simple. You place something on the net and so many people interact with your content. Some comment, some like, especially those people that are commenting. So many people will comment and you are not interacting with them. Some might comment with question, some might comment anything they comment. Find a means of like replying their comment. Create a conversation in the comment section between you and your community. Create a conversation between you and your followers in the comment section. That will boost your content. That will make your content go viral. That is what the internet is looking for. Conversation, so that you make your followers to stay long on your profile or on your channel or on your platform. So try and be a very good conversation. Try and be a very good interactor. Interact with your community, interact with your followers. That will give them the zeal, that will motivate them, so that they will keep on following and be coming back. But if you are showing no concern to your followers, if you are showing no concern to your community, definitely you are going to be losing them. Yes, it's just like an example, like, okay, as I'm talking to you like this now, so you just come stand beside me and you are talking, Azzubair, please, I just want to ask you a question. Azzubair, how am I get followers on the internet? Then I'll just shun you. I show you no care. I didn't care about you. Are you gonna come back tomorrow? You won't come back tomorrow. So the more you are interacting with your followers, you're interacting with with your community, that will encourage them to still come back tomorrow. Yes, because you already carry a valuable information, but you are not interacting with the people you are feeding the information to. Definitely, you are going to lose them because you are not the only one that is giving out the valuable information. Oh, there's a lot of people outside there. They are giving valuable information like you. But the one that maintain the community is the one that has a very good interaction. So interaction is very important for you to make it big and to go far on the net. So the third one, which is number 3, and the most important part, is consistency. I know so many people are hearing this consistency, because yes, you must maintain consistency. When we say consistency, is you have to maintain it, to keep on dropping information each and every day. Just keep on showing yourself out each and every day. Keep on showing up. Yes, because the more you are showing up, the more your community are engaging in your content. If you are a video content creator, or you any type of content creator, you must keep on dropping content each and every day, back to back. Yes, back to back. When we say back to back, keep on dropping, forget about maybe the engagement out, keep on dropping back to back. Don't you know, say when you maintain consistency among your content, it's not all the content that will let you go viral. No, your content, maybe single one content that it might not even reach up to 1 minute or 2 minutes, is the one that will blow your channel, that will blow your profile, your platform. So keep on maintaining consistency. When we say consistency, let me just give you a real life example of consistency. Maybe you have a shop, you are selling provision, or you are selling anything in your shop, and you are getting customers. So you come today, you open shop today, you sell. Customers are they are finding you. You come tomorrow, you sell. Then the next tomorrow you didn't come. Then in 4 days you came. In the fifth day you did not come. So definitely you are going to start losing customers, because the trust they have in you, they will start losing the trust, because they might end up saying that, this one is not serious. This one is not serious at all. So let's divert to another serious person. So, but when you are opening your shop each and every day, even though you are not around, each and every day you're opening, your shop is open, then it will encourage so many customers to come to your shop. Even those that are not your customers, they can easily locate your shop. You will end up be getting new customers. So same thing is happening with content creation and on the internet. The more you are showing face, the more you are attracting old communities, old followers, and the new ones will keep on coming. So maintain consistency. Each and every day, maintain consistency. And please, if you find this video very, very valuable to you, please like this video. Like it. I really like it if you like my video, please. And if it is the first time you are watching this video on my YouTube channel, please do not hinder to subscribe. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification, so that anytime I drop any valuable video like this, you will be notified easily. And don't forget to share to your friends, so that they will get value from this video, please, as well. And if you are watching me from Facebook, please don't hinder to follow my page, and please share it to your friends, please, and like it, please. Thank you so much, and God bless you. I remain yours, Azzubair bin Umar. Thank you guys and see you in my next video. Thank you.